Enjoy some quality time to yourself. Birmingham Moor Street, London Marylebone for 90 minutes. Chiltern Railways Main Line. Nice and fast.
No other toothpaste is more complete. No wonder most UK dentists use it.
Colgate
Total, the #1 toothpaste brand used by dentists.
Losing weight clicked for me when I found out I could lose weight and do it completely online. I'm addicted to my iPhone, and having an app online is incredibly useful. The recipe finder was brilliant, and I'm still eating the foods that I love. I know if I pick up a size 10 off the rail, it will fit me.
Join for £1. New Pro-Points Weight Watchers online. Finally losing weight clicks. The brand new 50 Plus collection is out now. Get your style, your fit in sizes 12 to 34. Exclusive looks you won't find on the high street. Whatever the occasion, it's all here with 10% off your first order. It's your life, your look, your 50 Plus. Fashion that fits your lifestyle in sizes 12 to 34. Call now for your catalogue on 0800 728 729 or go to 50plus.co.uk.
Is the latest anti-aging really the greatest? Women around the world challenge that with Olay. 20 million women chose total effects, including her and her. The time-tested powerhouse with 7 age-defying effects. It's one I trust, the one we chose, the one and only total effects from Olay.
Cosmopolitan readers choose Total Effects Day Cream 2, voting it the ultimate anti-aging moisturizer.
The chase is on. Reddit Watch returns as he challenges brand new contestants. Philip and Reddit Chatters. You better be good. And with a new chaser, the game just got tougher. The brand new The Chase. Weekdays at 5 on ITV1 and ITV1 HD.
When it all gets too much, what do you need? Number 3. A cup of tea.
The Jeremy Kyle Show, sponsored by ITVBingo.com.